We are now in lesson 31. So this is another set of oral reading. Okay? Dear parents, have you had an half hour or so to read the pamphlet on Grand Island Camp that we sent you? Question mark. If you have, we are sure you like the steps Grand Island Camp has taken to be sure that your daughter will have a pleasant vacation. Paragraph. Applications for July at Grand Island Camp are currently arriving at the rate of 4 or 5 a day. Period. As we can take care of only 200 campers, we anticipate that all our space will be assigned by early June. Paragraph. If you would like your daughter to spend 2 weeks at Grand Island Camp, please mail your application by June 2 at the latest. Period. We don't want to find it necessary to write you that we cannot take your daughter because your application didn't reach our offices by the closing date. Period. Sincerely yours.